Channel Quick Learning. So now our topic of presentation is what is information, and I will explain you in example, then what are the types of information and what are the resources, how we get these information. So before starting, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So what is information? I put very simplified definition of information, so it will be easy for you to understand. The information describes values and context together, resulting in something meaningful. It forms an organized and cohesive structure from data to interpret or communicate the whole. So it is a different from data. There is a difference between information and data. I will make a separate video on them. So the information is should be in an organized and cohesive form. So it will be easy for you to communicate the whole information. So information example. So in this example of information that I am going to tell you guys, each fact relates to the other facts to form a concept known as John Smith. So creating this John Smith entity allows people to reason, calculate and do other manipulations. Like example is John Smith, 123 King Street, London, United Kingdom, and at the bottom his phone number is given. So it means that the information should be in a structured form and in a simplified form. If I put this in a way, the John Smith is written in some line and you have to find its address in at the bottom of the paragraph, and the number is written in somewhere center, it will be very difficult for you guys to construct that information, okay, and to get that information. So information should be in a structured and cohesive way, like an address. Then first of all, there is a raw data like 51, 77, this anything. This is an example of data. Then we have context like test scores achieved by students. Context means that this raw data is actually the test scores of our students. Then we process from this context the information and we get that average test score is calculated is 67%. So this shows that the first student's mark is the way below average. Okay. So this is another example of information. Like in raw data, we have simply put all of the things together in a page. We don't know what is this. Then context means given a name to this data, like these are the test scores achieved by students, and then from this scores we conclude our information that this is the average test score and the average marks of the student is 67. So this is a very great graph for you people to understand the information, what are the kinds of information and what are the functional areas. So in the bottom we have operational staff. If you are working in a multinational in a local company and if you are even a student, then you should know that at the bottom level there is the operational staff, then we have knowledge, then we have management, and the most top is strategic people. In any company this is the graph that is followed. So in if you see the left side, this is the decision making. So the decision downs from senior managers to middle managers and then the knowledge workers. So the strategic managers take a decision and it transfer from higher level of people to lower level and then the bottom level. Okay. Then on the right hand side we have information. So information is always taken from the bottom side. So from the operational side of the people transfer the information to the knowledge areas, then they transfer from the management side and then the strategic level. So these are the kind of information. To understand more about this is the type of information. This is the graph for you to understand that we have operational information, tactical information and strategic information. So operation information is like very detailed and historical, recording transactions, routine and internal. This type of information is calculated at the operational level. And in the strategic level, the operational should be highly summarized, many forward-looking estimate, planning, ad hoc and external and internal both. So this is the resources of information, how we get the information. So we can get it from our newspaper, from our books, magazines, diary, internet, audio and video, plays and dramas, and movies with patents, white papers, manuals, and dictionaries. These are the some example of information resources. So
Thank
thank you.
you.
That's all
So
from my side.
these